Hey, welcome back to Creators World. This is episode 6. Today I'll be showing you how to make a bird. Well, I know the whole season is birds, but this bird doesn't actually have a name. It's just called a bird. And it does actually stand up on those tiny little legs, even though they don't really seem very strong. Okay, I've used scrap paper. You shouldn't. Basically, if you use paper with one color on one side and another color on another side, this head bit will be a different color to the rest of the body, so it'll look really good. Okay. So to start off, you need a square piece of paper. Okay. Again, I'm using scrap paper. Okay. Fold it in half diagonally. Okay. Then open it up. Fold these sides to the center. Like this. Then fold this top triangular bit backwards. Like this. Okay, now you should have a triangle, isosceles. Okay, now you bend these bits down so that this line matches up with here and this comes here. Like this. So you've got this bit here at the top. And now you fold it so that the whole fold goes along this line. Okay. Then you open it up and you should have a crease along here. Then you do the same to the other side. Like this. So it should have made a sort of X shape. Now open this up and then you fold along the lines that you just made. So ignore these bottom two lines, you're just focus on these. So then you fold this down on the crease here and sort of along the crease like this, and then like this. So it looks like this. Okay, and you do the same to here. You put along this crease here. Make sure this bit's opened up so that it doesn't look all crumbly. And like this. Okay, so you have sort of this with a diamond up. Okay, now you take the bottom and you fold it up where this point here. Okay. Like this. Then you fold it back down just to make a pleat. Okay, like this. So it's pleated at either side. Okay, now you tuck the pleat under the wings. And now you fold these so that you make the legs. Okay, and when you're folding them, make sure that a bit comes out so that you actually have some legs out here. And that a bit just comes and touches the pleat. Like this. Yeah. So it's still at the pleat, and then you've got the leg coming out here. Okay. And you do the same to the other side. Like this. And then you fold it all in half. This. Now you can see your bird is nearly ready. Just need to do the beak here at the top. For this, you just tuck this bit down a bit. Like this. And now you have your bird. I hope you liked this video. This was season 1 episode 6, and that was a bird. Now I was using scrap paper like I said before. You really shouldn't. If you're doing it even as decoration or as a gift, it's better to use bright colourful paper. But because I do lots of origami, I use scrap paper so that I don't waste the paper I have. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.